Hey guys, welcome to the first top tech of 2022. The first product on our list is this multi-use surge protector. Now this is a great accessory for your desk because it gives you instant access to 3 USB ports. These are standard USB-A style ports and you get a total of 2.4 amps from all 3 ports. You also get a 1.5 meter cord which is good enough to connect with a socket from the wall. You additionally get 2 standard AC sockets, but these are also international sockets of 10 amps, so you can plug in all sorts of plugs no matter where your electronic device is from. And then you also have a built-in phone stand. This is a handy tool for the desk and a single on-off switch controls all the outlets. Really useful, go check this out. Now guys, all the products featured in this video will be linked in the description below. Products tend to sell out quickly, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon to get notified the next time a Top Tech video goes up. If you're enjoying Top Tech, don't forget to smash the like button as well. The next product on our list is this LED ring light. Now this is a clip-on LED ring light that is powered by a USB port. Now this is designed primarily for webcams and streaming, so you can simply clip this onto your desk or your monitor or even your laptop screen and then put the ring light around your webcam. This will help illuminate your face while during video calls or any kind of streaming that you may do from your webcam, and also make the overall video experience a lot better. You've got various colors and various levels of brightness all controlled through an inline remote. A really useful tool to have, especially nowadays when a lot of people are back to working from home. Definitely go check this out. The next product on our list is this retro TV phone stand cum Bluetooth speaker. Now this is a simple Bluetooth speaker that looks like one of those old retro televisions. Simply slide in your phone into the stand and connect it via Bluetooth to the speaker. Although the buttons on the front don't really do anything, you do have buttons on the top to control the volume and different modes. It also has a built-in antenna and a handle to make it easy to carry. Once inside, the phone is held snugly and also doubles up as a phone stand or a phone holder so that you can watch your content while listening to it on the big loud speaker at the back. For the price of the speaker, it offers quite a lot of features. You have a micro SD card slot along with FM tuning, and the speaker itself is really loud. Is to the new Mercedes-Benz GLA, and today we're going to be reviewing it. If you're looking for a nice handy speaker which also doubles up as a phone stand, this one is a must to look at. It is available in various colors and is relatively inexpensive for the features and the sound quality that it offers. Definitely go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this rechargeable table lamp. Now the design of the table lamp is almost like an iMac, so it's a no-brainer accessory for a desk of somebody who owns an iMac, but it looks good otherwise as well. This also makes for a great gift for somebody who owns an iMac, and they will definitely appreciate your gift. The lamp has a touch switch on the back to turn it on and also cycle through the various levels of brightness. The light itself is really soft and well distributed, so you don't get a harsh spot of light. It makes for a great reading lamp as well as a desk accessory and a really nice gift as well. Definitely go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is Batman. Yes, this nice tiny accessory is a Batman bobblehead toy, but not only is it a bobblehead toy, it also doubles up as a phone holder. You simply slide out the drawer and insert your phone in it in landscape format and it will hold the phone. The bobblehead itself is really well made and has a really nice graphic to it, and the colors are also nice and vivid. A must-have accessory for any tech nerd's desk. Definitely go check this out. Guys, if you're enjoying Top Tech so far, don't forget to smash the like button and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon with all notifications turned on. Let's move on to the next product. The next product on our list is this stainless steel metal tool. Now this is a snowflake shaped tool that has various accessories built into it. Not only do you get Phillips head screwdrivers and a flathead screwdriver, you also get lots of Allen keys along with wrenches built into this. You also have a bottle opener built into this thing as well. It's made out of a single piece of metal and it also is available in various colors. We've got the rainbow one over here, but you can get it in matte black as well as silver. For the price of this tool, it definitely offers a lot of features and is going to be a really useful accessory around the office. But more importantly, it also looks like a throwing star. Make sure you're not throwing it at people. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is for sneakerheads like me, and this is a combination eraser and brush for your sneaker. The eraser is made out of a specially formulated soft rubber that allows you to clean your outsoles and remove dust and stains from the outer sole of your shoe. The brush will be useful for fabric sneakers as well as regular leather sneakers to remove the dirt as well. Not only are these tiny, but they are really useful and relatively inexpensive. You could also use a household eraser, but this eraser is specially formulated and in my opinion works slightly better. If you want to save some money, you can also get a regular brush and a regular eraser. Either way, if you're interested in this one, go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this RGB soundbar. Now this is a 10-watt wireless Bluetooth soundbar that also does have these RGB lights. On the front you do have a volume control, and the soundbar itself goes up really loud and is really impressive for not only the price but also the size of the soundbar. The volume dial looks nice and retro and gives a tactile feel to controlling your volume, and on the back you also have an auxiliary input to connect other devices. This makes for a great accessory for a gaming setup and also a good soundbar for a television, provided you have the right connection methods. But the sound is fairly loud and quite bassy, and it makes for a good Bluetooth speaker as well. The built-in battery is also a added advantage. Go check it out, links are in the description below. The next product on our list, while is designed for kids, we quite enjoyed it in the studio. This is a desk lamp cum pen holder and also has a built-in sharpener. The lamp itself is nice and bright, and the lamp is placed on a flexible neck so you can adjust it as per your requirements. This whole unit is rechargeable and has a built-in battery, and a micro USB cable is included in the box. The shapes on the front are varied and you can get it in different colors as well as for different animals. We've got the green pig over here, but it's also available in a green bear and different other colors for all these animals as well. The sharpener also has built-in lights, so the sharpening experience is quite nice, and the sharpener itself is quite sharp. The overall accessory looks nice and will be a good add-on to a kid's desk or just a fun add-on to any adult's desk as well. Go check it out, links are in the description below. The next product on our list are these metal risers for laptops. Now these can fit laptops from 10 inches all the way up to 17 inches, and they are made out of metal and are quite sturdy. Both the folded and unfolded positions have rubberized finishes, so they won't scratch any surface that you place them on. Once opened, the riser gives you a really nice angle to type on and makes for the laptop to become a more ergonomic device. For people who've been typing and working from home, this is a good accessory to improve not only your productivity, but also to reduce the strain while typing. This also elevates the screen a little bit and gives you a better viewing angle. For the price that these are available at, they have several advantages and I would highly recommend them. They're also easy to install on the bottom of the laptop because they do include sticky pads pre-installed. If you do own a laptop, these are a definite recommendation. I would highly recommend them. Go check them out. Links are in the description below. Now we do have a bonus item this time around as well, and last time we included something from our office that we've been using as a bonus item and you all liked it. So this time around we do have another bonus item that we've been using for a while. This is a single hand tape dispenser. This is a really cool accessory to have around the house or even the office, because this allows you to dispense the right amount of tape for any usage. Not only does it dispense the tape, it also pre-cuts it. But if you want a longer piece of tape, you can pull out as much tape as you want, and then when you release the button, it will automatically cut the tape for you. This is a really useful tool, and I can't tell you how handy this is if you do use adhesive tape for any kind of work. Also, you can make really cool artwork with it. Definitely recommend it. As you can see by the looks of it, we've been using it for many years now, and the fact that it is still available is actually something really cool. We've linked it in the description below. Go check it out before it sells out. And that completes the list for Top Tech today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and help us achieve that 1 lakh goal of subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next one.